Complete road construction solutions from start to finish. Building better roads requires more than one machine. A complete road construction solution combines powerful equipment for every stage of the project, from construction and lighting to cleaning and maintenance. With professional road machinery and cleaning equipment, every step becomes more efficient and organized. From busy construction sites to daily road maintenance, integrated equipment solutions help contractors improve productivity and keep projects running smoothly. One solution, multiple applications, better results.